Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix audio delay on a Vizio soundbar, lip sync, arc and Bluetooth lag. Fix 1. Adjust the audio sync lip sync. You just have to grab your Vizio soundbar remote and press menu or audio button until audio sync or delay appears on the screen. Use left or right arrow or a volume plus or minus button to adjust the delay. Increase or decrease the delay until the sound aligns with a lip movement on screen. Fix 2. Change TV audio output setting. Disable the internal TV speaker to ensure sound is directed to the soundbar. Access TV's audio or advanced setting for adjustment. Change the digital audio output format from auto to or bitstream to PCM. This adjustment can help eliminate processing lag on many Windows devices. Trick 3. Soft reset the soundbar. First of all, you have to turn off both the TV and soundbar. Unplug the soundbar's power cord from the wall outlet. Press and hold the power button on the soundbar itself for 30 seconds to 10 seconds to drain any residual power. Leave it unplugged for at least 30 seconds, then plug it back in and turn it on. Fix 4. Check your physical connection. Connect high-speed HDMI cable to HDMI ARC or EARC port on TV and soundbar. Ensure the optical cable is securely clicked in and not bent. Fix 5. Factory reset the soundbar. Ensure the soundbar is powered on and press and hold the Bluetooth and volume down button simultaneously for 5 seconds. LED light will flash 3 times to confirm the reset is completed. Thanks for watching.